fast enough as is. As is. Now, I said I was going to do upgrades on this thing in stages. And initially my first upgrades are going to be to the motor, to make the motor so it can handle more watts, the stock one as is. But overall I'm going to replace that with a 12 kilowatt motor. But like I say, I want to do things in stages so that everyone can know what it is they can do without spending a lot of money, or if they decide to spend a little bit of money, so we're gonna do it in stages. So yeah, initially that will be it. Also with the stock, with this battery system that it has now, without me upgrading the battery, which is just a plain old 72 volt 50 amp hour, about 100 amp discharge rate pack that could do a little more. We're going to upgrade the controller, but just a small upgrade. Now, I honestly believe that I could probably even do a shunt mod possibly on this Votal and double the watts. But easier than doing that, I had some extra Amazon points that I had piled up because I spent a few bucks with Amazon. So I decided to snatch a Votal, another Votal controller, but double the amps of this one. Now I'm just guesstimating. I think this one is about 100 amps. Could be wrong, could be 150 amps. The controller that I grabbed with my free money, well, not free money because I actually paid for it and I'm just wasting it on this, but anyway, if I ain't gotta put out my pocket, it's free to me at the moment. So I got the EM200, which should be double what's on here now, but the battery system that I have now should still be able to handle that, I'm hoping. And the reason why I'm doing this small controller first, because as I told you, I want to use a VESC on here, most likely 30S, huge battery, but that is going to take some time for me to build. And not only that, I also have some other builds to do in the meantime, so it's not just like I have free time just to work on my bike. I got another big battery build that I have to do in the meantime before I can even start on my battery build. So like I said, I just want to do something temporary just to give it a little bit more than what it has for now without going through a whole lot of changes. And as I told you guys, I really think this bike as is got enough power for the average person just coming from an e-bike. But if you're not an average person, maybe this 200, just double the amps of this one, might do the trick for you. And then we'll go from there. But yeah, man, like I say, when I jump on this thing and ride, it's just like it is. I'm pretty happy with the performance it's giving right now. Now, obviously, it's nothing what I'm used to with the Beast, but I mean, for something that I didn't do anything to yet, I think it's pretty good. And I still got that power cable, that Anderson connector flopping around, as you can hear. You know, I had to go through so much to take these fans off. I just ain't had a chance to go back in there, man. So when I go back in there with this, swap out this controller, then I'll go ahead and strap all that down so this thing will be super quiet, make no noise, no rattles, no none of that. And it's gonna be that. It's only that. This is a fun little bike, man. Well, not little bike. It's a fun bike. Man, I'm trying to get my my Workspace built back up. I bought this shed, and that thing is got 1,000,000 pieces to it. And now that I look at it, I don't think I'm gonna be satisfied with the size of that thing, man. Unfortunately, at least I can store some bikes in there. So we still gonna have to do something different. So in the meantime, I might snatch up another 10 or something since it's getting warm. But I thought the dimensions on this thing was a little bigger than what it is. It ain't shit. Anyway, we gonna make what we got work. As always, do the best we can with what we got. Let's see something here.
The kids that told me tough got knocked. I ain't gonna spell it out for you motherfuckers all the time. Are you a literate nigga? You can't read between the lines. In the Bible it says, what goes around comes around. Amo shot me 3 weeks later, he got shot down. Now it's clear that I'm here for a real reason. Cause he got hit like I got hit, but he ain't fucking breathing. Many men, many men. Wish death upon me, Lord, I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men, many men. Wish death upon me.
It's a little nippy out here today, fella.
These niggas ain't got no motion. 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 I'm cutting half homies out my circle. They semi-automatically desert you. This big Urkel, the guard nerve. Be real careful like kids curfew. Them false words put your little niggas to sleep quick as the Mossberg from close range. Anonymous killers, we work with no name. Show pain, don't let them gas you. We smoke that propane. Still carry babies, you can't blame us. It changes. You had it in front of anger, then that explains us. The dead strangers don't change.
We gonna have to change up on this here.
how to do this shit. We mix a little peace with a little dog, carry on, and a little Hennessy. You know we finna carry on. Hollin' at the bitches in the club trying to get right. We gon' be up in this bitch till we break daylight, baby. Little mama, show me, move it, put your back into it. Do your things like
Anyway,
shake,
we out of here, y'all. We ain't doing a whole lot. We'll get with y'all. Shining on the back of that truck. There's plenty of light, plenty enough lights on this thing.
Genesis, when I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my my one room shack. Now my mom pimps a act with minks on her back. And she loves to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the store. When you put more distrust, no heat. Wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the best days. Now we sip champagne every Thursday.